These are black, a whole carton of 16 pieces black. See those ones are tables, the tables that are coming in.
Hey, so, it's cute.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ndunde. If you're new here, karibu sana, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I have a few consignments that are getting in. They're actually on the way. In a few minutes they'll be here. So I'm first compiling the list. So this is the behind the scenes of what actually happens whenever I have new consignments coming in. Now, because I have the lists on the phone, I need to transfer them into the book so that if I'm not around, the ladies here at the shop can manage to sort a customer out without having me involved, because I can't be here all the time. Sasa ndio I'm compiling the lists here kwa kitabu so that guys can start collecting. Now I have told guys that collection should start from Monday, because right now it's 4:12 and we close at 6. So now offloading and all that will take me about 2 hours, and arranging them in the shop also takes time, but not so much. So yeah, that's what I'm doing currently. So let me do that quickly, and then I'll also show you how these tables look like, how they came, like, because I brought them to the shop today as well. Ndio kila mtu akikuja, they can now come and collect and then go with their things. So that's what I'm waiting for. So let me work on the list right now, and then I'll show you everything else that's about to arrive. But it's a few things that will be coming in a few. So yeah. So I need to check. These are beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Anyways, she wants from this carton. That's why I came to confirm. So she wants A, D, and E. She's here at the shop, and these are the colors for A, D, and E. Purple. Okay, I found the purple. This is beautiful. But needs to be purple with I think she also needs the blue. Purple, blue. She'll take this and the dark blue. This.
Black ni mob. Hii carton yote ni black peke yake.
Hapana, kuna watu walikuwa wameitisha black. In fact, black is the most requested.
Hey, so, it's cute. It's gorgeous.
Black was the most requested bottle.
Habari zenu?
Ndio zinaingia tu saa hii. Ni kama zimekusikia.
Yangu ilikuwa ya black.
Pale pale. Laini kidogo tu ndio kidogo tu tumalizie.
So guys, here are the vegetable bottles. So this is the one that we are used to, the normal 3-in-1. I think it's 48 pieces for this. And then these ones, also 48 pieces. We have a black, that's all black inside here. Zote ni black. And then I have another one here down with the two colors. The two colors, number 3, hopefully. So, and this now is the oil filter. Nishaifungua because someone was taking it. Done with most things. The only thing remaining is 2 boxes that I need to undo. So here, I know all of them are how many. Here are silicone spoons similar to this other box here. Similar. I'm finally done. Written all this. This is teal and peach, and I have black over here. All these are black. A whole carton of 16 pieces black, a whole carton with teal being most, and pink being 4. It's 4, yeah, 1 2 3 4. Pinkish peach, it's 4 pieces, and the rest are teal, and these ones are black. And I'm done. So I'm done, and what I need right now is lots of rest. I also need to go and reply to messages. Luckily for me, nimepatiana watoto kwa shosho. The shoshos is around, so I took them there. And then I have, see those ones are tables, the tables that are coming in to the shop. Zitalala hapa because the store, we didn't have the keys today for the store. So it's almost time. It's 5:43. So I've asked him to come and help me put it inside here so that we close the shop because it's almost time. I am really happy that we are done with everything. Okay, and now it's here. No one is telling me. Hakuna mtu ananiambia nakaa hivyo. Gosh, it's these colors. I have to search for customers when they come to the shop. Yeah, so I'm done. I'm tired, really tired. I'll see you on Monday. Hopefully ndio tupack hizi vitu zote. So yeah guys, I'm gonna see you in my next one. Please like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I'm going to see you in my next video.